Hello, everyone, and welcome back to InfoLight. Today, we have a topic that every parent can relate to: guiding your child's behavior. Parenting is a rewarding journey, but it can also be quite challenging. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies and techniques for managing and shaping your child's behavior. So, if you're ready to become a more confident and successful parent, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Understanding child development. To effectively guide your child's behavior, it's essential to understand the developmental stages they go through. We'll delve into key milestones from infancy to adolescence, exploring how these stages impact behavior. By recognizing your child's changing needs and abilities, you'll be better equipped to provide appropriate guidance and support. Positive reinforcement. In this segment, we'll explore the power of positive reinforcement. We'll delve into how praise and rewards can be powerful tools in motivating your child to exhibit desirable behaviors. We'll discuss the science behind positive reinforcement, how to tailor rewards to your child's interests, and the importance of consistency. Effective communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of parenting. We'll cover the art of active listening and provide tips for clear and constructive feedback. We'll explore techniques for fostering open and healthy dialogues with your child, even in challenging situations. Communication is key to understanding and guiding your child effectively. Setting clear boundaries. Boundaries provide structure and safety for your child. We'll guide you on how to set clear, age-appropriate boundaries and explain the significance of consistency in enforcing them. We'll also cover the importance of flexibility in your approach, recognizing that each child is unique. Managing challenging behavior. Parenting isn't always smooth sailing, and challenging behaviors can arise. In this segment, we'll address various behavioral challenges, such as tantrums, defiance, and aggression. We'll share practical strategies for de-escalating difficult situations, helping your child manage their emotions, and finding long-term solutions. Problem solving and conflict resolution. Conflict is a part of life, and teaching your child to problem solve and resolve conflicts is a valuable skill. We'll discuss age-appropriate conflict resolution techniques and demonstrate how to involve your child in the process. This empowers them to find solutions independently, encouraging responsibility and maturity. Time management and routines. Consistent routines are crucial for shaping behavior. We'll guide you in creating effective daily routines that promote responsibility and independence. We'll explore the benefits of time management for children of all ages, helping them manage their time effectively and develop essential life skills. Positive role modeling. Children learn by example, and you are their most significant role model. We'll discuss the importance of positive role modeling, emphasizing how your own behavior and values influence your child's actions and decisions. We'll provide tips on being the role model your child deserves. Handling screen time and technology. In today's digital age, managing screen time is essential. We'll explore strategies for setting healthy limits on screen time, selecting age-appropriate content, and encouraging balanced use of technology. We'll also touch on the impact of screen time on behavior and social development. Supporting emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a critical skill for children. We'll discuss ways to support your child's emotional growth, from teaching them to recognize and express their feelings to helping them develop empathy and self-regulation. Emotional intelligence is crucial for positive behavior and healthy relationships. Celebrating achievements. Positive reinforcement isn't just about rewards, it's also about celebrating achievements. We'll discuss the impact of celebrating success on your child's self-esteem and motivation. Recognizing your child's accomplishments, no matter how small, boosts their confidence and reinforces positive behavior. Sibling dynamics and conflict resolution. For families with multiple children, sibling dynamics can be complex. We'll tackle the intricacies of sibling relationships, offering strategies for resolving conflicts and fostering healthy bonds. We'll provide real-life scenarios and solutions for common sibling disputes. Addressing special behavioral needs. Some children have special behavioral needs, and it's essential to tailor your approach to their unique challenges. In this segment, we'll discuss strategies and resources for parents of children with conditions such as ADHD, autism, or other behavioral differences. We'll explore how to provide the necessary support and understanding. Support systems and resources. No parent should navigate the parenting journey alone. We'll delve into the importance of support systems, including family, friends, and community resources. Learn how to seek help when needed, connect with other parents facing similar challenges, and access valuable support networks. Raising independent and responsible children. As your child grows, fostering independence and responsibility is crucial. We'll discuss strategies for gradually giving your child more autonomy and responsibilities, setting them up for success in the future. Independence nurtures a sense of responsibility and maturity in your child. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on guiding your child's behavior. Effective strategies for parents. We hope you found these strategies and techniques helpful on your parenting journey. Remember, parenting is a dynamic learning experience, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate it successfully. If you have any questions or insights to share, please do so in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this. Wishing you all the best in your parenting endeavors. Thanks for joining us today on InfoLight. Until next time, take care, and remember, you've got this.